Alright, it's time to go over some advanced hooks. So as your React app scales, passing props through multiple components, also known as prop dealing, or running costly calculations on every render can slow it down. Advanced hooks like useContext and useMemo offer elegant solutions to these problems. So let me demonstrate using a code example, which I'm going to type first and then I'll explain. All right, we are done. So let me explain this code line by line, and apologies for throwing so much unfamiliar syntax at you in bulk, but I'll try to explain each and every line and hopefully it all makes sense. So before context, passing props through multiple components like from parent to child and grandchild was cumbersome. Context allows us to provide data once and access it anywhere within the nested hierarchy of a component. The real hero of this story is this create context, which generates a context object providing two key parts. One part is provider, which supplies the values to the child components. And the next part is consumer, which is also called this use context, which takes this theme context object as argument and enables child component to access the value. In this case, light at the moment, right? Next comes theme provider. Theme provider is a wrapper that holds the state and a button to toggle the theme. This is the theme provider being used. This theme provider, when rendered, renders a button, which when clicked uses this toggle theme function, which is just flipping or toggling the value of the state variable theme from light to dark or dark to light. Depending on what the value was previously, it flips it. And this is the magic part. Theme context.provider makes the theme value accessible to all child components. These are all its children. So once wrapped inside this theme context.provider, this theme value is accessible to all of these using useContext. The children prop is a special prop which represents any nested components, like theme component that is wrapped inside theme provider. Right. So the button is supposed to allow user to switch themes dynamically. We are not demonstrating a theme switch here from light to dark theme on your operating system, but we are just showing you how that can be done. So theme component consumes the context using use context and displays the current theme in the browser as text. So as I mentioned, the children prop is a special prop that allows components to nest other components inside them. In this example, themed component is passed as children to theme provider, making it possible for theme component to receive the current theme, which initially would contain the value light, but afterwards we can use the state variable to hold the updated theme when we flip it using the button. I can only hope that that made sense. So let's go to our browser and check if it works as expected. Yeah, so here we are. So let's press the button and see if it does the magic. And yes, it is working. It is changing from dark to light, light to dark. So that was all for use context. I know this was a slightly advanced syntax. So let me know in comments if anything was unclear and I'll try to explain further.